Okay, today is Wednesday, April 22nd. We are talking about extending pattern today. We're doing lesson 2.3. We talked about color patterns on Monday, and we practiced making some color patterns just alternating, okay? And then yesterday we talked about patterns that were made with different size items. So we had small, small, large, and large, large, small, and we practiced those things. Well, today we're going to name these types of patterns. And when you make patterns, you name the pattern by using letters of the alphabet, okay? So if you look at my example here, I have some bowling balls, and I have some tennis balls, and I have some golf balls, it looks like, all right? But if you look at this pattern, it's a very simple pattern. So it's green, pink, green, pink, green, pink. And we call this type of pattern an A, B pattern. Let me go back here because typically we use uppercase. So this is called an AB pattern. And as you can see, the reason it's called an AB pattern is because we're just alternating two things. The green would represent the A, and the purple would be the blue, okay? So this is an AB pattern. Two different things are being switched out, okay? If I look at this set here, I have the exact same type of pattern. It's orange, yellow, orange, yellow. It also is an AB pattern. However, if you look at this pattern at the bottom, this one is A, because I have blue, but then I go to this green one, and that becomes my B, and I don't switch back to A this time, do I? I go to another B. Let's put them up here so you guys can see them. Okay, so my pattern this time is A, B, B. The A represents the blue, and the B represents the green, and the green repeats itself, okay? And then the pattern starts over again. So A, B, B, A, B, B. Wherever the pattern starts to repeat itself is how we determine where the pattern begins again. So here A, B, oops, and it starts again and again. So green, purple, it starts over, green, purple. Here it's orange, yellow, and then we repeat it again, orange, yellow. Here, we have to go a little bit further because we have blue, then green, green, then blue, then green, green. Right here is where the pattern starts to repeat itself. Okay, so go ahead and grab out your math sheet. You should have a page that looks like this. It is page 33. And we're going to work on this one together. You're going to need some glue and scissors today to do your math lesson. Okay, so we're going to practice this pattern on our paper. And you guys will get to glue. I can't glue on the computer, so you're just going to have to do the work for me. So first of all, I want you to look at this, all right? And they've started a pattern for me. I have sock, sock, shirt. Well, if I was going to name this pattern, it would be A, B, okay? So I have two of the same things and something different. So it's A, B. Now, I'm going to repeat that, okay? The pattern stops right here and the next set begins. So I would need to take my socks up there, and it would be A, and then the shirt that hangs down. You guys are going to cut yours out, and it will look way better than my drawing on with the mouse, okay? But that's an A, B pattern, see? A, B. I should not have said C. That probably confused you. A, B. Look. A, B. All right? So cut your socks out and your red shirt and glue them on the clothing line. Now let's look at this next one. This time I have shorts, top. Well, this is a simple pattern where we just alternate two different things. So it's an A, B pattern this time. All right. So I need to take the shorts and glue them up here. That's my A. And then I need to find the yellow shirt and glue it up here. And that's my B. That looks nothing like a shirt, but yours will be much better, I'm certain. Okay, flip it over. So on this page, you just need your pencil, and we have to circle what would come next in the pattern. Well, first of all, I want us to look at this pattern and try and determine what kind of pattern it is. Sometimes it's tricky to know when the pattern begins and when it ends, okay? So with this one, I have barn, windmill, windmill. Now it starts to repeat itself right here where there's a barn. So let's look and see. This would be an A, B, B pattern, all right? So I have the barn. What would come next? The windmill would come next. And then I'd have to have another windmill because it'd be barn, windmill, windmill, okay? Let's look down here at this pattern, okay? So I have sheep, sheep, sun, and a sheep, okay? The pattern starts to repeat itself right there. Again, this is an A, B pattern. We haven't seen one of these yet. So 2 A's and a B. So sheep, what would come next? Well, I have another sheep, so I need to circle the sheep. It's an A, B pattern. 2 of the same, and then something different. Looking at the third one, tractor, tractor, vegetable. We'll just call it a vegetable. I'm not sure what they think that is. Maybe a cucumber. Tractor, tractor, cucumber. Tractor, what would come next? I need another tractor. What type of pattern is this one? It's an A, B pattern. Can't write off the page. My B is really, let's squish it right in there. A-A-B. That's what you guys would do. You would squish yours right on the top. So I'm going to do just like you guys would, okay? So A-A-B pattern, all right? And then it starts to repeat itself. Tractor, tractor, cucumber. Tractor, tractor, cucumber. Tractor, tractor, cucumber. I could go on for eternity. All right, now I have pig, carrot, carrot. Pig, carrot, carrot. Well, what kind of pattern is this? It's A, B, B. A, so what would I need? I'd need a B, which is the carrot. Okay? Hopefully this is starting to make sense to you. The more you do it, the better you'll get at naming the patterns. Make sure you finish your work. If you want to label the patterns, that's great. Hopefully your penmanship is much, much better than mine. Have a great day, guys.